What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and I am headed to the post office right now so I can get some stuff to mail packages. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
I'm gonna run up in here. I'm not gonna take the camera in because they'll probably say something, but I'm gonna go ahead and run up in here and grab this packaging so that I can get these things mailed off and head back to the shop, and I'll check back in with y'all shortly. Man, my auntie was on the phone earlier, so I'm like talking, trying to do the video and talking to her at the same time. But yeah, today is my son's birthday, y'all. My oldest son. Today is my oldest son's birthday, and he's turning 16 today, or he turned 16 today. So yeah, she was calling about that, trying to see what she should get him for his birthday. So I was having to tell her a few things, but then, you know, sometimes you know how it is when you're on the phone, people get to talking, and yeah, so I kind of had to try to film as I'm listening and talking to her on the phone. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys once I get to the shop. Just got up in this place, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on. Okay, these are the two shirts that I printed. Got the shipping label ready to go on there. The two shirts that I printed, and this one, since I took a little bit longer, I'm throwing in a Print Squad button. This one right here, you know, I got the stickers and the button over there, just the stickers right there. Alright guys, so I decided to go ahead and package everything up and let you guys check me out packaging everything up. So what I'm going to do is take these and stick them inside of the shirt right here. Stick this inside of the shirt. And let me see, this one, the 2X. Let me make sure. Okay. Go ahead and toss this one inside of here. Just peel this paper off. Should have folded this down first. Alright, got that one sealed up. Now I'm going to take this other one. Let me zoom in, let you get a little close up on that. And y'all, I'm sorry about that light, y'all. That light be tripping. All right, stick this one off in here. This is the 3X. I mean the 2X. And make sure this one is for Thompson. Once again, I forgot to fold it first. All right. So we're going to take this, and this goes right here. We're going to take this, and this goes right here. All right, and I got the packages sealed up right here, so now I just have to wait for the mailman to come through and hand them off. Just wanted to kind of do something a little bit different, let y'all kind of be with me while I'm running the errand. So that's about all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both the green and the red channel, aka the T-Shirt Chick TV channel with the green t-shirt, the T-Shirt Chick live channel with the red t-shirts. Subscribe to both of them because I'm doing live streams every day on the red channel and I'm posting every day on the green channel, so y'all don't want to miss out. And also I do the live streams at 10 a.m. every day, so you know they're about 15-20 minutes long, so if you have questions, comments, just want to hang out, you know, join us. And also follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.